Flipping to the back, posterior thigh attack, hamstrings on the track, ain't no turning back. Biceps femoris, semitendinosus too, semimembranosus, coming through for you. Sciatic nerve power, extending and flexing for hours. Oh, oh. Hamstring hustle, posterior sciatic nerve supply, shining so bright. Extend the hip, flex the knee with ease. These three muscles aiming to please. Ischial tuberosity, where most of them start. Posterior thigh playing a crucial part. First up, bicep femoris, lateral and grand. Two heads working, helping you to stand. Long head takes its origin from ischial tuberosity's height, with sacroduberous ligament holding on tight. Short head starts lower from linea asperalis line and lateral superpendicular ridge, a different design. Both heads converge to a tendon so clear. Insert an fibula's head, banish all fear. Long head extends hip and flexes the knee. Short head just need flexion for all eyes to see. Literally rotate that leg when the knee is bent. Innovation split, long head, tibial, heaven sent. Short head gets comment, fibula, her different descent. Yo. Hamstring hustle, posterior sciatic nerve supply, shining so bright. Extend the hip, flex the knee with ease. These three muscles aiming to please. Ischial tuberosity, where most of them start. Posterior thigh playing a crucial part. Now medially semitendinosus, long and so neat. From ischial tuberosity can't be beat. Down to medial tibia, its tendon will fly. Joints, pairs, and serenus way up high. Flexes the knee, extends the hips domain. Medially rotates tibia again and again. Tibial division of sciatic gives it the go, helping you move, put on a real show. Deep to tendinosus, semimembranosus we find. Flat, broad muscle, one of a kind. From ischial tuberosity, superior and wide, to medial tibial condyle, it takes its stride. Action's the same, knee flexion, hip extensions are. Medial rotation, two playing a smart part. Tibial division of sciatic, the nerve connection. Posterior thigh perfection. Hamstring hustle, posterior sciatic nerve supply, shining so bright. Extend the hip, flex the knee with ease. These three muscles aiming to please. Ischial tuberosity, where most of them start. Posterior thigh playing a crucial part. Hamstring strains, a common athlete's plight. Sudden sprints or stretches, feeling the bite. Ischial tuberosity can have a avulsion to bone fragment pulled off. What you gonna do? Sciatic nerve runs near, so be aware. Compression or tethering, handle with care. Proper warm-up, flexibility's the key. Keep those hamstrings healthy and injury-free. Hamstrings locked down from origin to end. Bicep femoris, your posterior friends. Keep that knowledge flowing, future doc so bright. Conquering anatomy with all of your might, yeah. Hamstring hustle, feel the power.